JDCap26 here, just do tips and peers and hobbies. And how you guys doing today, and girls? I hope you're doing okay. Early morning video here, and we've got this portable fan, 5-inch. It's a good size for what it puts out for the wind. It's picked it up only for $7. It was on clearance, I think, at Walmart. So if you can find this and online, I wouldn't pay more than $10 online for one. But it plugs in with a power plug to USB, and in the back it has, I'll show you in the back, the plug right there, 5 volt DC, 500 milliamps. Okay, it does take double D batteries. I wouldn't go for that. It's very expensive, burns a lot of batteries. It has a warning over here. If you have any problems, it has a 1-800 number right there to call. Also, don't plug it into your computer. It draws too many system resources on your power supply, and I wouldn't recommend plugging it into your computer at all. Plug it into a wall outlet, or a chain, one of those chain outlets where you have multiple plugs where you could plug it into and use it that way. So that's what I want to show you, and it's a great little fan, really. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.